Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog, but this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on the Adidas Adilette shower slides with cloud foam. Bam. Something light. I purchased the slides from Adidas.com. The regular price, 25 bucks, but I got it for $18.75. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased the slides with my own money. Now on to the unboxing. Okay, so before I open the box, I'm just gonna read y'all what's on the outside of the box. Something light, something simple. So this is the Adidas Adilette shower slides, or should I say Adilette shower slides? I don't know, but this is made in Vietnam. I chose size 10 because I am size 9.5. Oh, you got the hang tags. Okay, this is light, very light. Okay, it says what it says. I can't hardly read it. Maybe. Oh, it says cloud foam. You got the Adidas here, cloud foam here, Adidas here. It's light. I'm about to put it on in a minute and let y'all know how comfortable it is. Yeah, it's simple, it's light, you know. Put this together, boom. Stick it in your duffel bag or your gym bag. If you're going out for swimming, or you could use this for everyday use during the summer. I like to, actually I like to wear slides now for just for comfort, and this will do. Yeah, so there you go. That's the unboxing. Okay. It feels soft. The size 10 feels snugly. Not too large, not too small. I'm thinking Adidas runs big. So the slides to me are a perfect fit. So yeah, it feels comfy, smooth, cozy. I am satisfied with this purchase. Feels comfy. No complaints. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on the comment box. Thank you for watching. And once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello world, bye world, peace.